Oregano. It's that earthy, punchy herb that gives pizza sauce its backbone, Greek salads their kick, and Mediterranean cuisine its herbal swagger. But beyond its culinary fame, oregano, especially its concentrated oil, may have a much deeper role to play. Emerging research suggests that oregano oil could act as a sort of botanical bodyguard for your brain, shielding it from the oxidative stress and mitochondrial dysfunction that come with aging. Which means that oregano might be doing more than making your spaghetti taste great. It might be helping your neurons survive the march of time. The secret weapon? A potent set of phenolic compounds, most notably carvacrol and thymol. These molecules, found in high concentrations in oregano oil, have demonstrated powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory activity. Think of them as microscopic firefighters, rushing into aging or stressed brain cells to put out the molecular flames caused by free radicals. Let's talk about oxidative stress, a fancy term for what happens when your cells are exposed to more reactive oxygen species, ROS, than they can handle. These little rogues bounce around inside your cells, damaging proteins, lipids, and even DNA. Neurons, in particular, are highly sensitive to oxidative damage because they use so much energy and can't exactly regenerate like skin or liver cells. So when ROS levels go unchecked, neurons get sluggish, malfunction, or die off entirely. Welcome to the slow, subtle disaster known as brain aging. This is where oregano steps in. Multiple in vitro and animal studies have shown that oregano oil can dramatically reduce markers of oxidative stress in brain tissue. Carvacrol, for instance, has been observed to increase levels of endogenous antioxidant enzymes like superoxide dismutase, SOD, catalase, and glutathione peroxidase, your brain's built-in defense team against oxidative damage. These enzymes work together to break down harmful free radicals before they can punch holes in your cellular machinery. With more antioxidants in play, cells are more resilient and less likely to spiral into damage-driven decline. But the neuroprotective power of oregano doesn't stop at antioxidants. It also extends to the brain's mitochondria, those tiny, energy-producing structures often dubbed the powerhouses of the cell. As we age, mitochondrial efficiency naturally declines, which reduces the amount of energy neurons can produce and increases their susceptibility to damage. That's bad news, because neurons are energy hogs. They need constant ADP, the energy currency of cells, to fire, communicate, and maintain memory circuits. Interestingly, oregano compounds seem to preserve mitochondrial integrity. Animal studies suggest that oregano oil can protect mitochondrial membranes, reduce mitochondrial DNA damage, and even stimulate mitochondrial biogenesis, the process by which new mitochondria are created. Imagine that not only is oregano shielding your existing mitochondria from harm, it may be encouraging your brain cells to build more. That's the kind of multitasking we love to see in a brain protective compound. Additionally, carvacrol has been shown to modulate signaling pathways involved in neuroinflammation, another major culprit in age-related cognitive decline. Chronic low-grade inflammation in the brain, sometimes called inflammaging, sets the stage for memory loss, mood disorders, and neurodegenerative diseases. By reducing pro-inflammatory cytokines like IL-6 and TNF-alpha, oregano oil seems to create a more peaceful environment for brain cells to thrive in. Of course, this is still a developing area of research. Most studies have been done on animals or cell cultures, and human trials are limited. But the signals are promising. One small study found that oregano extract improved cognitive performance and reduced oxidative stress in older rats subjected to memory testing. Another suggested that oregano oil could help regulate neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, further hinting at benefits beyond just cellular maintenance, possibly extending into mood regulation and mental clarity. And let's not forget that oregano oil has broad-spectrum antimicrobial effects, which means it could potentially influence gut health, a key player in the emerging field of the gut-brain axis. By reducing harmful bacteria in the gut and modulating the microbiome, oregano oil may indirectly support brain health by lowering systemic inflammation and improving nutrient absorption. A happy gut, as we're learning, often means a happier brain. Still, as with all concentrated plant extracts, a little goes a long way. Oregano oil is potent, too potent to be guzzled indiscriminately. It's best taken in controlled doses, typically diluted or in enteric-coated capsules, to prevent irritation. Overuse can lead to digestive upset or even liver strain, so this is not the place to freestyle your herbal experiment. In the end, though, the idea that oregano oil, yes, the same stuff that shares shelf space with basil and paprika, could help safeguard brain function as we age is one of those delightful intersections of ancient herbal wisdom and modern neuroscience. It's like finding out your nana's pasta recipe contained secret nootropic agents all along. So go ahead, keep enjoying your oregano-laced marinara. But consider giving this humble herb a little more respect. It may not just be flavoring your food. It might also be fending off oxidative brain fog, one molecule at a time.